there in Georgia. Maybe a little bit of Spanish moss with it too. We do have a lot more heat still to come as we head through your Monday. The relief found a bit farther north that Ariella was talking about. Cold front, though, is still hanging out towards the Atlantic coastline, so there are going to be showers and thunderstorms out there today. We've seen some of that unfold. But behind this cold front, you might be wondering, why doesn't it get colder? Well, there is a reason for that, and that is because it's drier air moving in. So as we knock out some of the humidity, we can oftentimes heat up that air a little bit quicker. Dry air heats up faster. The humidity in air, the moisture in air, kind of keeps it more of the same temp, why pools don't get so hot every single day and then so cold every single night, for example. So because we're bringing in some of that drier air, it kind of changes the chemistry, so to speak, in the air itself, and does allow those temperatures to still go right back up as we head through the afternoon. 96 in Atlanta, 93 in Nashville, Little Rock, 100 for that high. We're still at 98, though, in Jacksonville, with showers and thunderstorms found in New Orleans in the mid-90s. Tomorrow we have that same air mass in place, and we're going to start to add a bit more humidity back into it, but it really doesn't change too much on us, which means those numbers are still going to be pretty high. A few more thunderstorms found, especially along the Gulf Coast, so places like Mobile, Tallahassee, Panama City, still dealing with some of those showers and thunderstorms. New Orleans, you find them there. But check out Montgomery, Alabama, 100 for that forecasted high. So tomorrow we'll be talking about records that could be challenged, if not broken. Montgomery air on the list. Birmingham, Alabama, set to go to 100 as well. That could challenge the record set back in 1931, and even Columbus, Georgia, something to mix in. But it is still about the heat until then. Check out this. The numbers here in Birmingham staying very close to 100 as we bring in that thunderstorm chance. Finally, we knock things down on Thursday. There is that chance for more thunderstorms. Nothing on the radar this morning. Things are quiet as we'd expected across the west. And in the northwest, we have some relief here. Still looking at a pretty good day on tap for us, although there are some sprinkles offshore. One thing, though, we're starting to see change: monsoonal moisture. You get it from the Gulf of Mexico and from the Pacific. I feel like Bernie Reno showing all these water vapor imageries, but it's the best way to show that moisture flow in the atmosphere, and that's why we have started to see more and more of our daytime showers and thunderstorms, usually starting up on the higher elevation, so tends to be impacted right near average for Thursday. All of these numbers more or less the same, but look at how those thunderstorms are playing into Tuesday's forecast, and also how we get more of a chance towards the weekend with some more clouds and some more moisture. So that's when more of that Pacific flow will kick back in for us, and we'll tap into a better chance of some showers and thunderstorms for you. Well, of course, AccuWeather has been proven to be the most accurate source. Thunderstorms today firing up in the upper Midwest, especially across the North Star State, Minnesota. We'll have some of those stronger thunderstorms towards the northern areas, so the Northwoods, the Boundary Waters, even towards the North Shore. So just be cautious, because these will provide plenty of lightning. If you have any friends that might be hiking through some of those remote areas or taking a little canoeing trip, you'll want to use some caution out there. Remind them to wind, hail, certainly the greatest threats here, but we do have some potential for tornadoes too, so we can't completely rule that out. As we head into Tuesday, that storm system moves its way on east, so brings showers and thunderstorms out there across portions of the Great Lakes, including places like Michigan. We'll actually start the day with some stormy weather across lower Michigan, extend off towards the northeast, though we still have that damaging wind threat and even some hail potential. So here's what we're starting at as we get going throughout the day. You can see some of those thunderstorms here into tonight, and they're going to keep cranking through the night across the northwoods of Wisconsin, upper Michigan, the Keweenaw Peninsula, and sliding its way right through the Great Lakes. And much of lower Michigan waking up to those strong thunderstorms as we head through Tuesday morning. That keeps pushing through, but watch some of that energy on the tail end of the line. That's those thunderstorms that could be strong to severe as we head through.